I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: Android 5, 0 or higher, a Google account, and a stable connection. Once done, open Settings and enable Install unknown apps for the browser or file manager you'll use. Next, scan storage. Make sure at least 100 MB is free so installs don't fail. Now download the specific APKs: Google Play Services, Google Services Framework, and the Play Store. These are the first actionable steps, because the framework must be present before the store can run. You'll install in order: Google Services Framework first, then Google Play Services, and finally the Play Store. Order matters for dependencies. Tap each APK, choose Install, and when apps request permissions, accept location, storage, and phone so sync and updates can function. Once installed, reboot the device to let services bind correctly. After reboot, open Play Store. Let it update itself. If prompted, sign into your Google account. Give the system 2 to 3 minutes to complete background updates before proceeding. You finish by signing into Play Store and accepting terms. Enable auto-update apps to keep everything current. Once signed in, test download of a small app to confirm installation works. If you hit errors like Server 498 or authentication loops, clear cache and data for both Play Store and Google Play Services, then reboot. If problems persist, remove and re-add your Google account. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. That resolves deep configuration conflicts. Use it only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.